I gave myself a limit of $20 on Amazon haul. How much do you think I got for that 20 bucks? What is happening, cheapskates? Happy Friday. I got another haul for you from Amazon. Amazon haul, from the last video I did about Amazon haul, some people were really excited about it, and then others not so much. And to all of my overseas viewers, I'm very sorry that this is United States only, but I'm hoping that this does well. And like I had a viewer from Canada say they hadn't released it up there yet. I'm so sorry. But hopefully this will do well and it will go all over the planet so you guys can take advantage, because y'all, oh my gosh. Like I said, I gave myself a limit of $20. I said, how much can I actually get? Now, I did make these purchases, and if it's kind of, I can't say hit and miss, that's not accurate, but you have to be careful about when you purchase, because it seems like on during certain times, they offer like 40% off of everything, and then 50, and then 60, and they just switch it up, so you never know when they're going to have these big discounts. So what I did is I waited until they went 60% off of everything, and then I also shopped. Where does Cheapskate always shop? The clearance section. Yes, and there's even Amazon Haul has a clearance section. So some of these items were up to 80% off. I spent a certain amount, so I got another discount, and all in all, before taxes, it was $17.40 something cents. Taxes added up. It came total with taxes came to like 22 and some change. So, but what all did I get for 20 bucks? Or less than 27. I mean, before taxes, $17 and some change. What all did I get? Let's see. Do we open the big one or the little one first? Let's open the little one first and see what Amazon has sent us. All right. Couple of items in here. All right, first item. This was on clearance. So this wound up being, I don't know, $1 or $2, something like that. Got a travel thing of makeup brushes. And when I go out of town, all those big honking brushes that I use, it's just like, man, do I really have to pack these? So this little travel kit, what do we got here? Oh, the pretty rose color, but lots of different brushes for eye makeup, and you've got a little brow brush there. So like I said, I don't have all the exact prices in front of me, but this thing was like I'm wanting to say $1, $1.25, something like that. So, and it was on clearance. So another, I don't know, it was like total 80% off. Awesome. That's something that I am going to be happy to throw into my travel bag when I travel, so I don't have to drag around those huge brushes. What we got next? All right, a box. Woo, what's in the box? Warning, keep this bag away from babies and children. Danger of suffocation. Okay. Okay, this is not as big as I thought it would be, but it's still pretty darn cute. This is a little charm that you can put on a bracelet, and it's probably going to be kind of hard to see, but it's like a little rose. I think this was 50 cents, something like that. So I've got several bracelets. Heck, I could even string a necklace through that, but super, super cute, and just pennies this thing cost. But it is a little bit smaller than I was thinking, but that's okay for, 50 cents or whatever it was. I'm not complaining. Okay. Oh, I've been so stoked to see this top. What do we got here? Ooh, this bag's going to come in handy afterwards because it's like one of those bags that you can suck the air out of. That's a, yeah, I'm totally keeping that for, repurpose that for something else. Okay, got a sweater here. Again, I am shocked at the quality of the clothing that's coming from this place. What? Oh my gosh, this is so freaking cute. It's a turtleneck. It's a kind of a crop turtleneck, but it's super, super, super cute with some mom jeans. That is going to be adorable. And this was originally, I mean, look at the sleeves. Look at those cool sleeves. Oh, it's so cute. I love it, love it, love it. This was originally like $13, then it was 60% off. So, you know, you're talking like $6 or something like that. And awesome. And great quality, great quality. So yeah, I love it. I love it, love it, love it. All right, bag number 2. What do we got in bag number 2? Let us see, shall we? All right. Oh, lots of goodies in here. The cuteness of this is making my brain rot. It's so cute. I mean, and another bag I can repurpose into something else. But I love a cute pair of socks, but this goes beyond. This is like above and beyond cute. They're little pigs. Yes, I'm stupid. Shut up. Oh, then it's good quality socks too. It's got it's padded on the bottom. Let's see. I think the heel has like something super cute on it. No, oh, I thought there was like a tail on it or something that made it look even more like a pig. But hey, I'm not complaining. That's absolutely stinking adorable, and it's a good quality pair of socks. Again, I think this was a clearance item, so it wound up being, I don't know, $2, something like that. And if my math doesn't add up after all of this, I'm guesstimating on all of these. I apologize, I did not write everything down, but you know, I mean, all of these items were just dollars or pennies in some cases. So very cute pig socks. Can't wait to wear them. Oh snap! Oh, again, this was an item that was $13, 60% off. Another bag I can use. Oh my gosh. Oh, so pretty. Oh my gosh. Silky PJs. Look at how cute that is and good quality. I mean, for the price, it's $6, $7 or probably less than that. I need to do the math on this. But again, this whole haul was $17 and some change. So you're talking, you know, some of these things $2, $3 or whatever, but look at that. A very, very nice set of PJs. Again, good quality. I'm sleeping in these tonight. All right, what do we got next? I couldn't pass these up. I'm such a geek. I don't know what I'm going to do with these exactly, but they're silicone clear stamps. So I gotta come up with something for this, but let me show you. I love this. I love this look. Men in top hats, you know, going back to the, I don't know, Victorian era. Is that right? I'm not really sure, but yeah, they're stamps. So if I send somebody a thank you letter, I could have a cool stamp to put on it like that. Again, I think this was maybe 75 cents. It was on clearance. And it's super cool. It's going to, I mean, you can liven up your stationery with something like that. Very, very cool. And there's, wow. Cheapo. If you're getting on up in years like myself and your hair is not as lush and luxurious and beautiful as it used to be, you probably know the hack of sleeping with a silk pillow. It's supposed to be good for your hair. I've been doing that for a number of years now, but these were $1 again, clearance items, but it's 2 silk pillows, or pillowcases rather. What do we got? It's open on the end, but that's okay. I am not complaining for, $1 or $2 or whatever these cost. Oh wait, no. It's got the little thingy that you can wrap around it. So they're not silk, obviously. It's faux silk, but good for your hair, and the price was right. All right. I think this is the last item. Yes. Oh, I have been so excited to see this. What do we got? Sealed bag. Ooh, fancy. Quality. Nice. It feels nice. I mean, this is not going to be annoying to wear. It's soft, good quality, well made, but I couldn't pass this up. It's got things falling out of it. But again, it's like a turtleneck, but it's got this really super cute camo pattern on it. Oh my gosh. Very cute. It's a little on the baggy side, but for lounging around the house in. And again, this was, I don't know, $3, $4, something like that. Next time I'll have an itemized list for y'all. But this entire haul, like I said, was $17 and some change before taxes, and then it was $22 and some change after that. So Amazon haul, I believe last time I checked, they're doing 30% off. I would not recommend buying from Amazon haul unless they are doing an additional 40, 50, 60% off. They do have a section that's always 80% off. And usually that's items that, it's just kind of random junk, but occasionally you'll find something nice in there. But go for the 60% off days, go for the clearance items, and you could sometimes save 80% off of some of this stuff. And I'd say that's a pretty successful haul for under $20. So Amazon haul, let's hope it blows up, and my viewers that are not inside of the United States will get a chance to land some of this awesome stuff. So, and by the way, speaking of clothes, I am wearing my Uptown Cheapskate Altered States sweater that was wound up being $3 or $4, something like that. I did do a haul from Uptown Cheapskate, and I got to tell you guys about the sales. This place is all over the country-ish. They're not in every state. They're in a good many states, but not all 50 states, I'm sorry to say. But next video, I'll tell you about that haul. And they were at the end of this sale, they were doing dollar items, and it's going to blow your mind. The coat that I paid $1 for. Wow. So stick around for that video. I hope to get that done this weekend so I can show you the really awesome stuff and tell you a little bit more about this store, and if there may be one near you. And I think somebody wants to come and say hi. Hey, mister, come here. Come here. Oh, my goodness. This is my little potato, as I call him. This is Fozzie. Yes, I love you too, sweet boy. Yes. Best dog ever. Literally picked him up off the street. He was a stray, and he's been the most loyal, sweet, loving dog, and he wanted to be in the video today. So say hi, Fozzie. Yes, say hi. Oh my goodness, I love you. All right, cheapskates, I appreciate you guys tuning in, and all the liking and sharing and subscribing has been helping out a great deal. As of filming this, I'm up to 620 subscribers. So if you're, the vast majority of you are not subscribed, so do me a solid and subscribe and like and share and all that kind of good fun stuff. And I do appreciate you guys watching. I'm blown away by some of the comments that you guys are making. And geez, I'm so happy to bring you some deals and bargains and trying to save some money because dadgum, eggs. Have you seen how much eggs are? Oh my God. So I'm trying to save you guys money wherever I can. So I do appreciate you guys tuning in and watching this goofball. Tune in next time. Got a video coming up soon. So stay cheap, y'all.